Have you ever noticed something strange? You can scroll through Instagram for 3 hours without getting tired. You can watch 3 videos or 5 videos back to back in one sitting. Or you can binge watch an entire web series in one sitting. But when it's time to study or work on a project or do your homework, your brain acts like you have been asked to climb Mount Everest. You tell yourself, I'll start in 10 minutes. Then 10 minutes become an hour. Then 1 hour becomes tomorrow. And before you know it, weeks have passed. If that happens to you, don't worry. Because today I'm going to show you a very simple trick that has helped thousands of students get over procrastination. It's called the 5-minute rule. And by the end of this video, you will understand why procrastination has very little to do with laziness and how 5 minutes can change your entire productivity. But first, there's something important you need to understand. The biggest lie about procrastination. Most people think they procrastinate because they are lazy. That's completely wrong. In fact, some of the biggest procrastinators are extremely ambitious people. They have dreams, goals, plans, big visions for their future. So why don't they take action? Because procrastination isn't usually caused by laziness. It is caused by emotional resistance. Think about it. When you are about to start a difficult task, your brain starts its calculations. How long will it take? What if I fail? What if it's boring? What if it's harder than I think? And suddenly the task feels huge. So your brain starts looking for something easier. Instagram, Netflix, gaming, food, anything that gives instant comfort. And that's why you don't procrastinate scrolling. And that's where the 5-minute rule becomes powerful. So what is the 5-minute rule? It's simple. Instead of telling yourself that I am going to complete the task, tell yourself I'll do it for 5 minutes. That's it. Not just an hour, not until it's finished, just 5 minutes. You want to study? Study for 5 minutes. You want to work out? Exercise for 5 minutes. Want to clean your room? Do it for 5 minutes. The goal isn't to finish. The goal is to start. And that tiny difference changes everything. Because your brain is not afraid of 5 minutes. It can tolerate 5 minutes. Anyone can. So why does this work? Here's the fascinating part. Your brain hates starting. But once you start, something magical happens. Psychologists call it momentum. Think about pushing a car. The hardest part isn't keeping it moving. It's getting it moving. The same thing happens with your goals. The first few minutes are usually the most difficult, but after that, resistance begin to disappear. Have you ever forced yourself to go to the gym even if you didn't feel like that? And once you arrived, you ended up completing the full workout. That's momentum. Have you ever told yourself that I would study for just 10 minutes? And then somehow you studied for 2 hours? That's momentum. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Most people wait to feel motivated before they act. Successful people act first, and motivation catches up later. How procrastination is quietly ruining your life. Now here's the dangerous part. Most people underestimate the cost of procrastination. They think it's just about one day. But procrastination is not just about one day. It's about patterns. One postponed workout becomes a month of inactivity. One delayed project becomes a missed opportunity. One skipped task becomes a habit. And habit creates future. Imagine 2 people. Person A waits for motivation. Person B uses the 5-minute rule. 1 year later, who do you think has made the more progress? The difference isn't talent. The difference isn't intelligence. It's consistency. Consistency starts with action, even tiny action. So how to use this 5-minute rule in real life? Let me give you some practical examples. If you're a student, don't tell yourself, I'm going to study for 3 hours. Tell yourself, I'll open the book for 5 minutes. If you're trying to get fit, don't say, I am doing the full workout. Say, I'm doing 5 minutes. If you're trying to read more books, read 1 page. That's it. The goal is to make starting so easy that your brain has no excuse. Because every big achievement starts with a tiny action. The hidden secret behind high performers. When you look at successful people, it often seems like they have incredible discipline. But here's what many of them understand. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. And the 5-minute rule is a system. It removes negotiation. It removes excuses. Instead of asking, do I feel like doing this today? You ask, can I do this for 5 minutes? The answer is almost yes. And once you have started, you have already beaten procrastination. A challenge for you. I want you to try something after this video. Think of one task that you have been avoiding. You already know what it is. Maybe it's studying. Maybe it's exercising. Maybe it's that project you have delayed for weeks. Don't promise yourself you'll finish it. Don't create a perfect plan. Don't wait until Monday. Just give it 5 minutes right now. That is all. And pay attention to what happens, because chances are you'll keep going. The biggest mistake people make is believing that they need motivation. Most of the time, you don't. You need less resistance. And the 5-minute rule does exactly that. It tricks your brain into getting started. And once you start, momentum takes over. Remember this, you don't need to conquer the whole mountain today. You just need to take the first step. 5 minutes, that's it. Because the life you want isn't built on giant leaps. It's built in small actions you take every day. Now I want to hear from you. What's that one task you have been procrastinating lately? Comment it below. And after commenting, just spend 5 minutes working on it. If this video helped you, hit the like button. And if you're serious about building discipline, strong mindset, and confidence, subscribe to my channel. Because sometimes 5 minutes can change everything.